Now we're currently at Eleko.
Yes.
Eleko junction is just down here,
Yes.
and the coastal road is passing through this side. So how does it connect the Dangote refinery and deep sea port? Because I heard that this is the first batch. This is the part A of the construction. So how does it connect the part B?
Okay.
How does the road continue? Okay.
This is part A.
Okay.
And the refinery side is part B.
Okay.
So this is the runabout now. The runabout is going to be started from here.
Here, the road about here.
It's going to be a big runabout over here. And
Okay.
then we're going to have a flyover.
Okay,
And
yeah.
then yes, between the middle of this road, we are going to have a train.
Okay, train line.
Yes. And
Okay,
the middle
okay.
here, 5 road here.
5 lanes, 5
Yes,
lanes.
yes, 5 lanes, yeah. And then the
Okay.
middle, we are going to have a train at the middle.
Okay, beautiful.
And then, yes, and then people are coming from Calabar. They have to fly over here.
Okay.
To Lagos.
Okay, but if there's a roundabout here,
Yes.
how would the train walk?
The train going to pass the Honda.
Okay, under the roundabout.
Yes.
Okay.
And then the vehicle pass up.
Oh, okay. That's good. That's good.
That is where they want to make
Okay.
it.
So it means this existing road here before that connects VI is not part of the coastal road.
No.
Is it? Okay.
No.
Okay, that's from this roundabout.
Yes.
They're going to connect that existing road
Yes.
to the refinery.
The refinery.
Oh,
We have been working
beautiful.
on that one.
Okay.
Coming down. It's very closer to us also.
Okay.
Yes.
And now the way I see this roundabout,
Yes.
is it not going to disturb some buildings here?
Actually, we're going to disturb some buildings over there.
Okay. Hello, everyone. I greet you all from wherever you are watching me from. Currently, I'm here at Eleko, very close to the Ibom estate. So this part where I'm currently on is where the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway construction is ongoing. So this is part of the first batch of, this is the part A of the road construction coming all the way from the Victoria Island. So this is Eleko. So this is the road where the construction is ongoing. So it's going to be 5 lane on both sides, 5 lane on this side and 5 lane on the other side. So this is part of the 47.47 kilometer road, the Lagos-Calabar road. So the second batch of the construction will be at the deep sea port axis, which is the 55 kilometer road. They're going to run all through to the road that connects Lagos, the boundary between Lagos and Ogun State. So please watch this video to the end. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, this is a channel where we discuss everything real estate. This is a channel where we'll be showing you and giving you updates of the coastal road highway, the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Road Highway. So please, I would like you to please watch this video to the end and see how the details is unfolded. So please watch this video to the end. Thank you. And so today I decided to check the level of work at the Eleko axis, which is part of the section 1 of the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Superhighway construction from the Victoria Island. I am currently on the Eleko road, and this is the Ibom Estate phase 1 on my left hand side, and phase 2 is also situated just adjacent the phase 1. Almost the end of this road is where the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Road construction is ongoing on the right hand side of this road. Making this video was very challenging because at some point some officials on site were not allowing me gain access where the main construction work was ongoing. And so after a series of negotiation and waiting for hours trying to see if I can gain access and also get someone that can give me information on the level of construction work on site. Luckily for me, I met an official that was not only willing to give me details on the ongoing Lagos-Calabar Road construction here at the Eleko axis, but also help me gain access into where the main construction work was ongoing. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, I'll please like you to subscribe. Click on the subscription button, share, comment and like so as to encourage me do more videos on the Lagos-Calabar Superhighway construction. Please watch this video to the end and listen to the information he gave me. Good afternoon, my brother.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you doing now?
I'm fine, bro.
Please, so I came to do this coastal road, and I want to show some of my people what is happening here.
Yeah.
You understand? Because so many people don't understand what is actually happening here. So I want to give them updates. I hope you don't mind if I ask my camera to video you.
No problem, boss.
Okay. Please, show us, please. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, boss.
Yes, this coastal road, I noticed that this coastal road come all the way from VI.
Yes.
From VI.
Yes.
So I want to know where,
Exactly.
now we're currently at the Eleko.
Yes.
Eleko junction is just down here,
Yes.
and the coastal road is passing through this side. So how does it connect the Dangote refinery and deep sea port? Because I heard that this is the first batch. This is the part A of the construction. So how does it connect the part B?
Okay.
How does the road continue?
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah.
This place is roundabout. We are
Okay.
going to have a flyover over here.
Okay.
From here, the other route they are doing it coming down. You can see people are coming down from the other side.
Okay.
They are making the route coming down from that side.
Okay.
This place they are going to have a flyover over here.
Okay.
Right here now, we are going to have a flyover.
Okay.
And this place now connected to the refinery side.
Okay.
This is part A. And
Okay.
then the refinery side is part B.
Okay.
So this is the runabout now. The runabout is going to be started from here.
Here, the roundabout about here.
It's going to be a big runabout over here. And
Okay.
then we are going to have a flyover.
Okay,
And
yeah.
then yes, between the middle of this road, we are going to have a train.
Okay, train line.
Yes, and
Okay.
the middle here, 5 road here.
5 lanes. 5
Yes,
lanes.
yes, 5 lane, yeah. And then the
Okay.
middle, we are going to have a train at the middle.
Okay,
And
beautiful.
then yes, and then people are coming from Calabar. They have
Okay.
to fly over here.
Okay.
To Lagos.
Okay, but if there's a roundabout here,
Yes.
how would the train work?
The train going to pass the Honda.
Okay, under the roundabout.
Yes.
Okay.
And then the vehicle pass up.
Oh, okay. That's good. That's good. That's good.
That is where they want to make
Okay.
it.
So it means this existing road here before that connects via is not part of the coastal road.
No.
Is it? Okay.
No.
Okay.
This existing road.
That formal existing road down.
No.
You can show them that road.
It's just only that one that just coming from the refinery.
Okay.
They will connect it together.
Okay, that's from this roundabout.
Yes.
They're going to connect that existing road
Yes.
to
The
refinery.
refinery.
Oh,
We have been working
beautiful.
on that one.
Okay.
Coming down. It's very closer to us also.
Okay.
Yes.
And now the way I see this roundabout,
Yes.
is it not going to disturb some buildings here?
Actually, it's going to disturb some buildings over there.
Okay.
So you can see.
Okay.
Rather not to affect a lot of buildings. That's why
Okay.
they shift it back to that side a little
Okay.
bit.
Oh.
So that they can complete the road from there.
Oh, okay. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. Thank you very much. I appreciate.
Nice one.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. And so, after the conversation with the official, we decided to go into the site where the major construction work is ongoing. It wasn't easy to drive into the site because of the sand filling, and so we decided to drive through the existing Eleko Beach Road that was close to the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Road to enable us gain access into the main site.
Now the place where they're supposed to use that coastal road we did before. But they now before it will affect many buildings. This
Okay.
Eleko Beach Road.
Yeah, this is Lagos Beach Road, yes. Okay. Now, less than 1 minute from here. Okay, it was supposed to be this road.
Yes.
Before they now diverted on the other road, the other side.
Yes,
Just after these buildings we are seeing now.
You can see the coastal road from here.
Okay, look at it now. Okay, those truck. Okay.
And these were to accommodate those Okwaja people.
And it's true. If not for those Okwaja people, this would have been the road.
Yes.
They were trying to save some properties at Okwaja. And even if they use this road, they will destroy a lot here.
A lot.
So they rather use that swamp, the other side. And even using that place that is costing the government more money because they're going to sanview the swamp.
Yes.
Okay, you see that place.
So this road where it lead to like this? VI.
So it leads to VI now. Now it's supposed to be the main coastal road, which is the existing road. But they had to use the other road.
Not to affect the community.
Yeah, not to affect the community, to save properties. You will see. I really help these guys, so because that diversion they did to the other side there, it really helped.
They can't carve this village side. Just
Yeah, they save a lot of houses in this village. You understand? And even then, most of the properties we had on this road, most of them were not directly facing this road. Most of them were like
in the bush.
5 minutes inside. You still drive like 5 or 4 minutes inside, some 3 minutes inside.
Now,
Most investors that invested then, they were complaining, wow, I thought it would be on this existing road. This is the coastal road. But unfortunately, this is no longer the coastal road. And then the coastal road, it now goes inside at the back of, you see that line, see those some filling place. That's where the coastal road is. So most of our properties that are inside, that was inside like 5 minutes drive, the coastal road will now pass in front of them. You see the beauty? So those people complain that it's far, it's far, it's far. It's no longer far.
So that's what I'm saying. It's going to be a bitter
yes, they did it to save all these properties on this axis. You see? It's just unfortunate that some estates is going to affect some estates, but I believe there will be compensation because most of them are C of O. Yeah. So there will be compensation.
And so this is where we connect the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Road from the existing Eleko Beach Road. A lot of people thought that the Eleko Beach Road was going to be the coastal road, but because the government was trying to save a lot of properties and then decided to construct the 5-lane each coastal road on the swampy area where a lot of sand filling is currently ongoing. And so please watch this video till the end and see the level of construction ongoing here at the Eleko axis, which is the section 1 of the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Way construction. Thank you.